Hello, and welcome to another update video about ETH. Just a quick middle of the day update. The pullback or move to the downside there on the ETH chart is corrective. So it makes a corrective impression. What does that mean? Well, we have a corrective pullback, which means a three-wave move. Yeah, overlapping price action. You can clearly see that in an uptrend. So that suggests trend continuation to the upside. I have no confirmation that a top has formed. So I would still expect further upside from here, especially against support at $2,113. So as long as that level is holding, the focus can be on higher. One more low was needed for an ABC structure. The size of, or the strength of that small, it's only a small rally really, but the strength of that move up today indicates that we might have formed a WXY structure in wave 4. In reality, it can take all sorts of different shapes and sizes here, this wave 4. But the idea is, yeah, wave 4 could potentially be completed. I mean, maybe it gets another low. It can certainly quite comfortably still move a little lower in this wave 4, down to 2173 next, 2143, and maybe even $2,113. Even though for one more high, ideally, we don't break below the 50% FIB level. But at the moment, that three-wave move could technically be complete. What we can identify as well on this chart is here a potential price channel, a corrective price channel that's not yet broken. If that level breaks, you could even argue it's a wedge pattern. If that level breaks here, I mean, we talk about 2,233, that would already be an early indication that, yep, wave 4 is complete and we have started wave 5 to the upside. Better would be a break above that X wave high at $2,253. That's more, a more substantial indication that the wave 4 has finished. And well, the best confirmation you get with a break above the third wave high, right? And that is at 2,272. And then next upside targets are here 2,279. 2,316 and 2,347. So in summary, I have absolutely no indication that a top is in place. Also, the technicals don't really suggest that Ether has topped or is likely to top here. The support levels are holding. Yes, we broke one micro support level yesterday, but it was really only the first one, the more relevant one to really establish if a lasting top has formed is the $2,113 level. And if that level breaks, I'm going to watch the structure very, very closely on this chart to determine what's going on. But for now, it seems like we're just moving down in what you could even consider some kind of a bullish flag, which maybe even just now tries to break to the upside. Not much more to add. So again, as I mentioned in the previous videos, Ether still has more space, more room to the upside before we consider here a wave 1 complete. And maybe you want to pay attention to my previous video today, because it is technically possible that we are extending much higher. I'm just highlighting here the scenario of a still unfolding wave 1, which would lead to a deeper wave 2 pullback. Yeah, only a pullback, only a corrective pullback in an uptrend, because this for me is still at the moment the scenario that makes most sense. But I'm absolutely acknowledging that we might already be in a third wave rally that will escalate much higher, right? But at the moment anyway, it doesn't make a difference, because again, the trend is up and we're just following the uptrend. Ether needs to push above a few levels to give us some clarity that we're already in a third wave. For now, I remain focused on this scenario, but in the short term, we still watch for higher prices at the moment anyway. Yeah, that's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.